friends. It's time to install a brand new fruit picker. Let's do this. Okay, here are all the parts. Got a bunch of sticks and a basket. Let's put it together. Okay, now you gotta line up the basket holes. You'll line the tab with the holes and then install it. There you go. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, you got one in. Look at the other one. What the heck? Yeah, that's right. You did it. So now, get the little locky things. Slide them through. Oh, hey, what the hell, what the hell? Now, you gotta put the pole in. Oh, what the hell? We messed up. Okay, so now you have to redo everything. Put the pole in first. Put the screw right in the center line right there. And now you got it. Yes, right. You stupid. So then you slide it in. Now tighten it up. Oh, what the hell? Tighten it up, I said. That's right, turn it. And you got it. That's the hardest part. Okay, now all you need to do is attach the little poles. Just twist it in. Okay, make it longer. Longer. And even longer. Keep going. Oh my god. Now don't forget the little foamy part. You don't want to damage the fruit. There you go. Nice and soft. Oh yeah. Now let's pick some grapefruit.